Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this video, I will show you how to switch to dark mode. So let's get started. First, open the Amazon app on your phone. Then tap on this icon at the bottom. Then click on Settings option at the upper right corner. As you can see, there's no direct option to turn on dark mode inside the Amazon app itself. That's because the Amazon app follows your phone's system settings. So here's what you need to do. Go to your phone's settings, then tap on Display. If you're using Android, you'll see an option for dark mode or dark theme. Just turn that on. If you want to do it even faster, you can also swipe down from the top of your screen, find the dark mode toggle, and tap it. That's the quickest way to switch your Amazon app to dark mode in seconds. And that's it. That's the only way to enable dark mode on the Amazon app. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.